Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I know you're probably wondering why I was gone for a while, and I was trying to regroup and figure out what my channel would be about because I did a lot of other random stuff, but I'm going to try and keep it to be about fashion, and this is going to be a fashion channel. I'm going to do some sewing and different things because I'm going to be doing some Barbie outfits. I'm going to do a human Barbie challenge like I did for last Halloween, where I made an outfit that was from one of my childhood Barbies, and I thought that I should do more because I thought that would be a good idea. As you can see, I have done my nails for this video. I can still do more nail videos if that's what you guys want, so request those videos if that's what you want. Now I'm going to unbox my Barbie New Year outfit from 1999 that I got on eBay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is the dress, and there is this. It's cute. Here's the dress. I think at one time it had some straps, but they seem to have deteriorated because they were like elastic straps, and it's been 27 years, but it's in good condition other than that, so here it is. And here is the purse. And here are the shoes. And here's this. And here's the Barbie. She looks cute. I'm going to recreate this one sometime later. I just wanted to have it unboxed for New Year's. So Happy New Year. And see you next time.